Good morning, children. Welcome back to the topic invitations and replies. We already had a session on this and we discussed in detail what an invitation is. And invitations are of two types, formal and informal. The same way, replies are also of two types, formal and informal. Yesterday, we completed formal invitations, different types like school related, for example, marriage related, and also shops, commercial shops related, inauguration, and all these things. Okay. Now today we will deal with replies, how to write formal replies. Okay. Yeah, the other day I mentioned about the importance of RSVP, that is an abbreviation for a French expression, respondis s'il vous plaît. The meaning is please reply. Okay, is it clear? What is RSVP? It's a French expression, respondis s'il vous plaît, and the meaning is please reply. So that is invariably required in all the invitations, because a person has to respond to the invitation. Okay, is it okay? Yes, children, replies. Main characteristics. Replies are again two types, formal and informal. A, formal, acknowledge the invitation. If somebody invites you, you have to acknowledge the invitation. Express thanks in third person. When it comes to formal card type replies, we have to make use of third person narration. I told you what is third person: he, his, she, her, it, they, all this comes under third person. Mention acceptance or regret. Regret means refusal. That means you are unable to attend a program or unable to attend the unable to accept the invitation. Specify reason. On what reason you are not going. If acceptance means okay, it's well and good. Be brief and specific. We have to be very brief. We cannot write more. Word limit is 50 words. When it comes to informal, acknowledge the invitation in first and second person. Here we can use I or we, singular I, plural we, then you, that is second person. Mention acceptance, regret, refusal, specify reason. The same way, if you are accepting, it is well and good. If you are regretting, means you are not accepting it. If it is a refusal, specify the reason. Use warm and simple language. Do not exceed the word limit. Usually it is 50 words. Is it clear? Now, next. Now, straight away we will start a model reply. I have collected 4 or 5 replies for you. Draft a formal reply card type. I told you there are two types. It can be in the form of card type or as well as in the form of letter type. So, draft a formal reply accepting the invitation to be present on the occasion of the wedding of Ankush, son of Mr. and Mrs. Or Mrs. and Mr. Shankar of 24 Green Park Road, Kanpur. You are Vikram Gaur of Raja Ki Mandi, Agra. That is her address. Okay. So this is the way we prepare a card type. You can see very much here. So you are Vikram Gaur. So you will write Mrs. and Mr. Vikram Gaur. Suppose I am writing Mrs. and Mr. Sujesh Kumar. Right? The same way. Accept with pleasure. This is I have put in red ink because this is the way we accept. Accept. Again, why it is accept? Because Mrs. and Mr. it becomes plural subject. Okay, two persons are there, so plural subject. So accept. Suppose I am alone, for example, Mr. Sujesh Kumar accepts with pleasure, or Mrs. Sumalada accepts with pleasure, like that way. When two are there, concord, you have to make a subject verb agreement properly. Okay, be very alert in this aspect. So accept with pleasure the kind invitation of Mrs. and Mr. Shankar on the occasion of the wedding of their son Ankush at where place? 24 Green Park Road, Kanpur. That is the address of that venue. When? On Sunday, 15th October 2020, and assure them that they will, say, this is third person, they, instead of saying we will, okay, instead of saying we will, they will say they will be present on the occasion to wish the newlyweds a very happy married life. This much is enough. This is card type. Okay, is it clear? Your address, I mean your names, Mrs. and Mr. Vikram Gaur, accept with pleasure the kind invitation of Mrs. and Mr. Shankar on the occasion of the wedding of their son. Again, you see, of their son Ankush, okay, at 24 Green Park Road, Kanpur, on Sunday, 15th October 2020, and assure them that they will be present on the occasion to wish the newlyweds a very happy married life. This is acceptance. Now we will see the same question. Question is same, but regret. Okay, question is same, but what we have to do? Regretting. Regretting means refusing. Okay, same question in refusing. Mrs. and Mr. Ankur. Actually, alignment problem is there. You have to take it in the middle. Okay, middle. Little line gap also you can give. Make it stylish. Okay, because this is a problem with the typing. Mrs. and Mr. Vikram Gaur regret their inability to accept. That is why it is given in red ink, because we are showing, because when you write it should not be written in red ink, only to make you understand. This line I have written in red ink. Regret their inability to accept the kind invitation, then remaining all same only. The kind invitation of Mrs. and Mr. Shankar on the occasion of the wedding of their son Ankur at address on that when that date 15 August, because of prior engagement. Reason, you have to specify reason. Because of a previous engagement, because of a prior engagement. This is the shortest way, people, because so we should not mention that my son's marriage board examination is there, or my wife is not feeling well. These are all coming with the personal type of reply. So here what we will mention, because of a prior engagement. Is it clear? Shall I repeat? Mrs. and Mr. Vikram Gaur regret their inability to accept the kind invitation of Mrs. and Mr. Shankar on the occasion of the wedding of their son Ankush at 24 Green Park Road, Kanpur on Sunday 15th October 2020 because of a prior engagement. You can make it stylish, you can take it this way, and overall some good alignment you have to follow. Now repetition, I am giving more example for you. Draft a formal reply, card type, accepting an invitation to be present on the occasion of the wedding of Girija, the daughter of Mrs. and Mr. K.S. Agrawal on 15th October 2020. You are Mrs. and Mr. Shukla, SP Shukla. Same way, okay. Reply to heading is given, but when you write for the examination, this is not required. This is only to make you understand, okay. This is not required for examination purpose. You have to start from here. Mrs. and Mr. SP Shukla express their heartfelt thanks or heartiest thanks to Mrs. and Mr. K.S. Agrawal for inviting them on the, say, the third person, them on the auspicious occasion, spelling auspicious, you have to be very particular, occasion spelling, of their daughter's marriage on 15th October 2020. They are pleased to inform that they shall attend the function and reach the venue on time. So you are giving an assurance. Suppose the host, the party who is hosting the party, arrange the party, should know how many members are coming to that marriage party. Accordingly, they will arrange the feast. So this is the way you have to reply. This is acceptance. And same letter, regretting. Okay, same question, but regretting. That means refusal, reply of refusal. This is not required, only to make you understand it is written. Mrs. and Mr. S.P. Shukla express their heartfelt thanks, because you have to thank first of all. Okay, express their heartfelt thanks to Mrs. and Mr. K.S. Agrawal for inviting them on the auspicious occasion of their daughter's marriage on so and so date. But they regret. This is the expression. They regret. This is another style. They regret to inform that they are not able to attend the function due to a previous engagement. Again, reason, specify the reason. They wish a happy married life to the newlyweds. This is an extra, they should not feel bad, so they will write, they wish a happy married life to the newlyweds. Is it clear? Okay. Now, another one. Earlier we have written for invitation written on this. Virat Kohli was invited to act as a chief guest, okay, on a prize distribution ceremony of the inter-school cricket tournament that BCA is going to organize. Draft a reply accepting the same to the president of the Bhopal Cricket Association, that is BCA. Okay, now we will write how one single person writing. In marriage and all, husband and wife, Mrs. and Mr. will come, but here how a single person replies. This is called letter type. Okay, card type we have already done. Now this is letter type reply. Official. Okay, don't forget about it. This is formal. Informal we will learn separately. Informal invitation as well as informal reply. One or two examples are there at the end that I will explain to you. Now we are purely dealing with formal invitation and replies. So this is letter type. And some children will have doubt. Every year they are asking, sir, in the board examination sometimes they will not specify whether it is card type or letter type. So it is up to you. If you want to write a card type, you write a card type. If they specify like this, I have specified here, formal, letter type, acceptance, then you can write only letter type. Reply of acceptance, formal, non-printed, letter type. Okay, then you have to give your address. Who are you? And your address. Here Virat Kohli's address. Then date of drafting, just like that of a formal letter. The president to whom you are writing, the president, Bhopal Cricket Association, Bhopal. Sir, one line gap actually, element is not there, one line gap, sir, then one line gap, because in one slide I cannot accommodate with the proper spacing. That's why I'm telling one line gap, sir, one line gap, subject, acceptance of the invitation. Again one line gap. I would like to, or subject first, sir next, no problem. Okay, in letter writing, this is a new style. After sir, subject coming is a new style of writing letters, and you see here everything that touches the margin. Okay, this is called block style, and we are all following this block style. There is no comma after sir. Okay, there are no comma, like the president comma is not there, association comma is not there, Bhopal full stop is not there. So this is called block style. Letter writing also like the same way. Subject, acceptance of the invitation. I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks or heartiest thanks to you for, here you can use you, just like letter writing, my, I, though it is formal. This is letter type. Only when it comes to card type you have to go for the third person. This is also one of the doubts that children usually ask. Sir, here no, it is not written. Okay, but here it is in the form of a letter, and the letter we are writing like this. Okay, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to you for inviting me on the occasion of prize distribution ceremony of the inter-school cricket tournament that is going to be organized in Bhopal. I appreciate the efforts of the BCA, which is striving to bring out the hidden talent of the young children. I am pleased to inform you that I shall definitely attend the function. This is an assurance that you are giving, you will be attending the function. With regards, yours sincerely, ST. ST means you have to put your signature. Who are you? Virat Kohli. So you have to sign as Virat Kohli there. That is why SD. Is it clear? Any doubt is there? No. This may be easy for you because you know how to write a formal letter. Now it is very easy for you. Okay? But language. Okay, you can also write, thank you for remembering me on this occasion. something like that. So next, same letter type only, but regretting. What do you have to do? Regretting letter. Regretting means you are refusing, you are unable to go as a chief guest. Same way, address of Virat Kohli, that means you, suppose you are there, your address, this is your address. Date of drafting, when are you drafting? For example, I have a wedding coming next week, then now I am writing now. So today's date, who to write? The president of Bhopal Cricket Association. Then I told you earlier also, one line gap. After sir, here again, everywhere one line gap you have to give. In order to accommodate in one slide, I was unable to. Okay, already the font is very small. I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to, or heartiest thanks to you for inviting me on the occasion of prize distribution ceremony of inter-school cricket tournament. That is all available in the question. Okay, is going to be organized in Bhopal. I appreciate the efforts. Okay, that also up to that. Then you say, I regret, or unfortunately, I regret to inform you that I am not able to attend the function due to a previous engagement. Specify the reason. I wish the tournament a grand success. With regards, yours is also touching the margin. Okay, everything should touch the margin. This is block style. Clear? Now, informal invitation. So now, so far we have learned formal replies as well as formal invitations. Now coming to informal invitations and informal replies. This is very simple, because there is no question of card type here. Informal means the same way that you write an informal letter. Okay, now with some of the example, the concept will be clear for you. You are Shashank, living at 25C Armada Complex, Bangalore. You wish to invite your friend Saurabh, who lives in New Delhi, on the occasion of housewarming ceremony. Write him a note of invitation. Now you are writing a invitation letter to your friend. Who is that friend? Saurabh. Who are you? Shashank. So this is your address. The first address that you write is your address. In personal letter, only one address comes. That is your address. Informal. Your address, then date. That means, for example, today, 18th September. That today I am writing. So, dear Saurabh. Who is this Saurabh? Your friend. Any doubt? No. Then you write, it is with immense pleasure that I wish to inform you that my cherished dream of owning a house in Mumbai has come true. Okay, actually not Mumbai, it should be Bangalore. Okay, I sorry for this. You have to change it to Bangalore. Has come true. The construction of my house has been completed. We have decided to organize the housewarming ceremony on 15th October 2020. Needless to say that the function will be incomplete without the presence of a true friend like you. Kindly book your ticket to Mumbai. Actually, it is Bangalore, and inform your arrival so that I may come to receive you at the airport. With best wishes, yours sincerely, your name. Right? Informal reply acceptance. Same letter. This is okay. That is the invitation over. So some corrections are there, children. So here in the place of Mumbai, you have to write Bangalore. Actually, by typing, it has become like this. Yeah. Now coming to the reply part. Informal reply of acceptance. What is the reply? Acceptance. Same way, your address, not your address. Now who will reply? Your friend will reply. Where is your friend? He is living in New Delhi. So he writes a letter from with his address. Then on 20 September he is writing, imagine, and dear Shashank, okay, I would like to convey my heartiest thanks to you for inviting me on such important occasion. Really, it is a moment to celebrate. I am pleased to inform you that I have planned to attend the housewarming ceremony. I have already booked my ticket by SpiceJet flight from New Delhi to Bangalore and shall reach there by or one day before. Same like a personal letter. Hope to meet you soon. Yours sincerely, signed, resignation. Is it clear? This is acceptance. Suppose the same question, refusal, informal reply of refusal. Address of that your friend, okay, friend is replying you, date is there, and dear Shashank, that is you. I would like to convey my heartiest thanks to you for inviting me or remembering me on this occasion. Really, it is a moment to celebrate. I regret to inform you that I am not able to attend the housewarming ceremony. This is the importance there. I regret to inform. That is it. Why? Because you have a urgent matter to attend. For example, because I have to attend an important business meeting at Singapore. Here in personal letter, you can mention that your son's marriage is there, or my father's farewell party is there. Some reason you can specify. If at all you are not finding a reason, you write because of prior engagement, because of a previous engagement, like that. Because here it should not be very quite official. You can write the real reason. Okay, hope you will excuse me, but I will definitely come to meet you after my return. I am sending you a small idol of Lord Ganesha as a token of my love and best wishes. Convey my regards to all at home. Yours sincerely. Again, one line gap. Okay, you have to give, then signature, then your name, Saurabh. Is it clear? Now that is the end of replies. Okay, so it's okay. So one correction that you have to do here is that you have considered a house in Bangalore, but by mistake, how it happened, I don't know. It should be Bangalore here. Bangalore, and again here, again you have to write Bangalore. And one more correction is your name. You are Shashank, not Sandanu. Here, this one also you have to correct. Sorry for this mistake. Shashank. Here you have to write as Shashank. Okay, fine. I hope all of you understood. And before we wind up, once again, dear children, informal invitation is very easy in the sense the way you write an informal letter. Okay, the question is when you write, you can, language is simple for you, you can use some friendly language, and also when it comes to acceptance also, you can very much thank your friend for inviting, and way when you regret, you can mention the reason, the real reason, what's the actual reason, or you can say your board examination is pending on that day, whatsoever that you can write, and in the formal way, sorry, informal way. Is it okay? I shall be sending you some extra additional material, so you write this PowerPoint presentation in your notebook, same like notes, how you write notes for other topics, same way you have to give a heading, starting from invitation you start. Okay, then all these examples that you have to write, and additional examples also I am sending you, that also you should write, then only it will become complete. And this is for earning you 4 marks in the board examination invitations. Dear children, that is the end of today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you. Bye.